When thinking about the essential understandings in Big Idea 1, we reflected on where formulas came from. One thing that the Big Ideas textbook did that really resonated with me was ask the question, what did the ancient Greeks use before formulas? Well, they relied on comparisons of different shapes through decomposition and rearrangement. Obviously, they didn't have that the volume of a cylinder was specifically the area of the base times the height. They, worked out and found by physically taking the areas and comparing them to heights of different buildings, or everything was just all about rearranging and decomposition those solids and shapes to eventually come up with the areas. And so what I think is really cool for students to be able to do is, to begin with, they don't know the formulas either. So then they can use comparisons of using decomposition and rearrangement to come up with the formulas and create their own connections with how the formulas were made.